Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to take you along a day in my life as a first year MBBS student preparing for the locomotor module. So it is 7:32, it is 20 July Sunday, and I have today to prepare a lot for the locomotor module because our exams are nearly around the corner. I started my day by praying namaz. So this weekend is going to be a lot more packed than the previous weekends as I have a lot of the gross anatomy part to cover. Also, I have to take 2 research workshops today as well. Firstly, I started off by studying the lower limb anatomy. I have planned to cover a few topics from the lower limb. Let's see how much I am actually going to do today. I studied for a while and then I did a lot of things in between. For example, I watched 2 to 3 shows on the YouTube and then I had my breakfast and now I'm here again studying. So moving fast forward, it is 11:20 and I'm done studying these two topics. For now, my goal is not the memorization, it is understanding. So I have understood these topics, but we also have to memorize it as well. Now finally I've started another topic, which is femur bone. First of all, I'm going to do the osteology of this bone and then I'm going to do its muscle attachment and nerve supply. As we have started the lower limb section in the gross anatomy, so I have extracted its portion from the Gray's anatomy textbook. I did it exactly the same way I did for the upper limb. इसका सबसे ज़्यादा benefit ये होता है that the portion which you want to study becomes so handy for you and you can easily read through the content of the book without handling such a heavy book. Now coming back to the study session, I was still on the femur bone and I was trying very hard to do the muscles of the femur because it is one of the largest bones of the body and to learn its muscles is very much challenging. So I was trying my level best first to understand the muscles and then obviously to learn them as well. Now it is 5:27. I am going to have my research workshop at 6 p.m. sharp. So first of all, I have to get done with my Asr prayer. After praying Asr namaz, I had a little break and enjoyed some of the food. This is the research workshop which I was talking about. MedAngle community is basically hosting this workshop for the introduction to research. Then I am having my another workshop which is from Research Nexus. The time of this workshop is a little overlapping with my previous workshop, but let's see what I prefer. So finally over here the research workshop has been started and I really have to gear up myself because it is a 4-hour long workshop.
And then drawing conclusions that are pertinent for patient care, for quality of life, and then of course discovering novel cases.
Fast forward everyone, now it is the time for my next research workshop. It is 9:22 p.m. and the workshop has just started. So this workshop was mainly on the idea for the abstract formation for the poster presentation competitions and I'm really looking forward to learn some insightful knowledge from this workshop.
Two conferences. The first one is ISRC 18-2000.
And then I finally ended up my day with a little journaling. I don't do journaling very often, but yeah, जब भी मुझे time मिलता है, I do prefer doing it. Also a little message to all of those who are listening to me. अगर आप लोगों को कोई skill सीखनी है, so it's a high time to learn the time management skills, which is very much less talked about. It will help you a lot to balance your life in medicine and beyond it as well. So that was it for today's vlog. See you guys in another med school related content. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care.